Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change voice on Apple Maps. If you're using any iPhone and you want to change voice on your Apple Maps, so let's see how can I do that. So now to change your voice of Apple Maps, you must have to change the voice of your Siri or Apple Intelligence. So you must have to open your settings app. In settings, simply scroll down and look for Apple Intelligence and Siri option. Simply tap on it, and here you have to look for the voice option. Select that option, and from here you just have to select the voice which you want to set. Here you can easily get the example. So you must have to select the voice, and you can easily listen the voice here. And here's the variations, and here's the voices. You can easily select which one you want, and once you have selected, the voice will be automatically set it on your Apple Maps. So in this way you can easily change your voice on Apple Maps. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.